Want to include encrypted files in your Windows 11 search? Here's a quick guide on how to add them to the search index. Press Windows key on your keyboard and type Indexing Options. Then press the Enter key. Click Advanced button at the bottom of the Indexing Options window as shown below. Select the Index Settings tab and check the Index Encrypted Files checkbox to continue. Please click on Continue button to proceed and allow the indexing of encrypted files. Now you can see that the checkbox Index Encrypted Files is checked, and then click OK button as shown below. Once done, it will start indexing all the items, and this will take some time, so wait patiently till it finishes. After the indexing is completed, please click Close button to close the Indexing Options window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.